Hi everyone and welcome in today's new video. In today's video I will show you how you can resolve the problem of an installation is already exists on your root folder when you try to install WordPress. So in order to resolve that, just follow this video into the end and don't skip any part. First thing to do, especially if you have a multiple domain in the server, you need to verify your URL server, your installation URL. In order to do that, go to installation, and if you have, for example, I have this URL. If I'm mistaken and I select this URL again, in place of selecting fix it free, my new domain, I will have this message. So first thing to do, go to WordPress installation and choose your URL. Let's click on WordPress, install, and let's select here fix it free, and also verify the directory to be blank, because if you have multiple subdomain and you write the same subdomain that you have in the directory, you will have the same problem. Let's try again, selecting fix it free, try and see if you have again the same problem again. Then click install and wait for the charging. If the problem was resolved, that's good for you, stop on this part. If not, just follow this step 2 of the video. Then let's go now and try the method to resolve the problem. In order to do that, go to your cPanel, and there is one thing that I want to explain here. Sometimes you mistaken adding the domain in place of add the domain in add-on domains. You add it into the domains in this icon instead of this, so that causes the same problem if you did it. So let's verify and delete all the domains and let's add the domain again in the add-on domains. Let's delete fix it free here. Let's see first if we have a root folder for the domain. In order to delete it, we don't have it. Check if you have a root folder. If you have a root folder for the domain, delete it first. If you don't, just delete the domain here. Click on remove domain, then click on yes. And now the domain was deleted successfully on domain section. Now let's go over cPanel and go to add-on domains, and as you can see, I don't have the domain here added here, so that was 100%, that was the source of the problem, because the domain, I don't have the domain added into add-on domains, and that was caused that why I got this error message. So let's add the domain here again. Let's write fix it free, and let's add a subdomain, fix it free for example, and here now the domain is installed into the document root as fixitfree.com. Now let's go ahead and click on add domain. I will need an FTP account for this domain also. I will set up the password for the FTP account. And now go ahead and click on Add Domain. Now the domain was added successfully, and all we need to do is to go ahead and try to install WordPress again. So let's go to cPanel application, then we will go to WordPress installer, then let's go to install, and now let's select Fix It Free again, as you can see, and let's copy the password and let's try to launch the installation. Install. And now the installation was completed, the problem was resolved. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you if your problem wasn't resolved, just tell me in the comment and I will help you to solve it. So thank you guys for watching.